Whoa, what up? What's that? You already know the drill. Look, first things first, man. Y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. Turn your notifications on so you can know when I drop another video. Now, today we're going to take a look at the Humidity Nike SB Dunk High Trumpet. So let's get into it. Okay, so looking at the box, see on the top you got Humidity and you got Nike Air. Okay, now this box is supposed to resemble an instrument case. And as we look at it a little more, you'll be able to see what I'm talking about. On the sides, you got the two latches, like when you're opening up an instrument case. It's a nice little touch on that, man. Now the colorway on these is metallic gold, and black. You understand what I'm saying? Now the inside of the box, you got that purple lining to further resemble that instrument case. Now the paper, you got the white paper with the lines on it. But enough of that, let's get into the kicks, man. Here they are, the Humidity Nike SB Dunk High in metallic gold. Now straight out of the gate, like I'm not trying to push my opinion on nobody, but this color is a no-no for me. You know, this is a little too loud, too shiny, but don't let my opinion stop you from feeling whatever it is you feel, you know what I'm saying? That's why we all individuals. Now on the front, you can see you got the red little bow tie that's removable. Kind of like a nod to, you know, everything with jazz, man. Louis Armstrong, all of that. Now on the bottom, you see you got the translucent sole with a bunch of music notes sprinkled all throughout the shoe. You know what I'm saying? It's dope, man. It's put together, you know, the theme of it and the meaning behind it, man, is cool. You understand what I'm saying? But as far as me, you know, I'm not a fan of it. Now on the back, you can see you got the, it looks like an H. That's what I'm thinking. Now on the inside, now this is sick. They got that purple velvet. What is that, velvet? On the inside, you know, to resemble the inside of an instrument case, that soft satin that they use on the inside of an instrument case. You know what I'm saying? So, I mean, you see that upper, yeah, it's surrounded with that metallic gold leather. No, it is what it is, man. It's all up to you, though. You know what I'm saying? So, let's look at the front a little bit better. I mean, like I said, not my style, you know what I'm saying? But it is what it is, man. There's a closer look at that logo on the back. I think it's an H. But if you find out, let me know. You understand what I'm saying? Now, I was going to take the other one out, but I done already wrapped it. You know what I'm saying? You can see it in the back there. So I ain't gonna go through all that, man. I just wanted to give y'all a look at the kicks, man. So that was my look at the Humidity Nike SB Dunk High collabo. Follows on Instagram at PetLazelle504. Subscribe to this channel, and I'ma holler back.